Wimborne town centre has narrow roads, parked vehicles, shops, pedestrians and other hazards, including overhang buildings. Take great care in the town centre and use low speed and good all-round observation. This road, and others like it on the route, has trees and other roadside furniture close to the edge of the road. Use good mirror checks to maintain a good position on the road and clearance from the items. When large vehicles are oncoming on roads like this, they can feel narrow. Check your mirrors, reduce speed, and be prepared to stop if necessary. This road is also near a school, so be aware at school times as there can be a lot of pedestrians and parked cars. Turnings like this require overhang over the pavement and often have street furniture close to the edge of the road. Be aware of these aspects and adjust speed and observations accordingly. This bridge is narrow. It is best to wait for all other traffic to have cleared the bridge before committing. Use a sensible speed and constant mirror checks to not hit the brickwork. If another vehicle forces their way over the bridge at the same time as you, it can be best to move over safely and slowly as far as possible, then stop and allow them to maneuver around you. Some roundabouts on the route, like this one, are on main roads and therefore do consider that traffic approaching from the right can be moving at speed. When entering lay-by bus stops, use low speed and lots of observations. Bus stops with shelters can present a hazard. There is a risk of striking the bus stop with the bus body or mirror arm. Be aware of any intending customers or pedestrians and stop if needed. The road narrows slightly here. Be prepared to slow down. The roads in this area all have trees and banks close to the edge of the road. This road is also narrow. Consider you may meet another bus or other large vehicle coming towards you. Proceed at a suitable speed. There are schools on this road. Take care at school run times. There are a lot of cars parked here at some times. Pass with care, keeping up good all-round observations. There are shops in this area. This can mean vehicles parking in places which are not ideal, people parallel parking, car doors opening, and pedestrians in the area and crossing the road. Use good forward planning and all-round observations, as well as a sensible speed in areas like this. As you come out of junctions like this, you need to use the other side of the road to avoid hitting the curb. Approach at a low speed and check there is nothing coming before committing to the turn. Be prepared to stop. This is a quiet residential area. Consider the impact of speed on road noise, impact on residents, and safety. Keep a low speed in areas like this. Also be aware this is near a school and becomes busy with students at certain times. When passing parked cars, good observation and forward planning are needed on approach. Manage speed according to conditions and remain courteous to other road users by giving way to them if needed. This is another area heavy with shops, so do consider this. There are multiple pedestrian crossings on this route. On approach to zebra crossings, ensure you are managing your speed in order to be able to stop if needed. The same applies to traffic light controlled crossings. When pulling out of bus stops on this road, do consider the speed limit is 40 miles an hour, and some cars exceed that, so wait for a suitable gap. Fleet's Bridge roundabout is known for confusing some other road users. Use good all-round observation and be willing to back off if someone changes lanes with short notice. The lanes approaching the traffic lights here can be narrow and have a bend. Don't try and force your way next to other vehicles. Sit back if needed and wait for suitable space. Be aware that other traffic may be intimidated by the size of the vehicle around this bend, and the fact that we need to stay away from the curb on the near side. Take this turning slowly and wait until you are on the straight before moving into the right lane. In Poole bus station, there is a speed limit of 10 miles an hour, although 5 miles an hour is more sensible most of the time. Be aware of pedestrians and consider that you need to give way to vehicles which are reversing from the stands. Stop if needed. Adhere to signals from bankspersons.